Hello everyone, I'm Laura, and this is Gelmoment by Laura, and I got a couple packages over the last few days, but I was at work so I wasn't able to open them. And today is a snow day here in the Niagara region, and it's also pajama day. It's also Shrove Tuesday, so what a better way to start the day off than by an unboxing video. So I had some gel cash in my account, which I got from hosting a party just a little while ago, and I thought I would spend it on some new items that came out I think 2 weeks ago. So here it is. I haven't looked yet. I did undo the box, but you're going to find out what's in the box with me. Here we go. Oh. So the first thing that's in here is the new Shine Therapy paddle brush. And we'll take that out of the box in a minute. We'll get the rest of the stuff out of the box. And it's just a paddle brush with the cushion, bristles, ballpoint tips. And it turns ordinary hair into the extraordinary. Experience a brush that works like magic and makes an everyday chore a pleasure. Designed for normal to thick hair, perfect for all hair lengths and styles. It says enjoy the luxury of soft touch for a great non-slip grip. So we'll try that out. And then I also got the other brush, which is the ceramic thermal brush. And I don't dry my hair a lot, and that's because it always looks frizzy anyway. And this brush is supposed to make that go away. It says using a unique technology, the shorter bristles are crafted with nylon rounded tips to ensure minimum resistance and maximum comfort while combing through the hair. The longer bristles made with boar hair help clear out the frizz and leave hair smooth and glossy while cutting down on styling time for a salon-worthy blowout at home. We will find out, I suppose. So I got the two brushes. Did I get anything else? Of course I got some stuff. Get those smaller stuff out of here. Alright. The rest is just airbags and bubble wrap. So Marissa packed my box today. Thank you, Marissa, with the kisses and the hugs. And then the instructions on how to use some things that I purchased. So in addition to the brushes that came out that were new, they also came out with a nail repair. And it's for people whose nails split. My thumbnails, you can see here, they split here a lot. And I think it's just because it's so dry. And because I use my thumbs to, pry open lids. And I really, oh my goodness. Marissa, you really taped that sucker together. Let's see. Okay. Oh my goodness. That wasn't going anywhere. There we go. So I also got the Nail Spa Repair, which is right here. Let's see. Can you see it? Why can't I ever do this? Why? There we go. So it's just kind of like the cuticle oils that they have. And this, you can wear underneath polish. So this is made to put on your nails to make them stronger, and you can wear it under your polish. So there's a little card here that comes with it. It says apply as needed to the bare nail. It's a snowplow going by, finally. Apply to the bare nail. Repair helps increase resistance to breakage, splitting, and chipping in mid-split. It can even act as a bond to allow Gelmoment polish to be applied on the nail and keep the application smooth. In addition, it normalizes nail growth and prevents it from drying out in the first place. Think of it as a maximum intervention. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to take my Valentine's nails off today. See? Little hearts and hugs and kisses. And I'll try putting that underneath and we'll see how it goes. And then one last thing. I just can't help myself. I always order a color no matter what I'm ordering. So I got the Strawberry Daiquiri. It's another red. We'll give that a try. And then there's just a couple other things in here. I actually have become I moved up a rank, so now I'm a fashionista. Thank you to everyone who's ordered from me. So now I am a fashionista. If you want to sign up to be a Gelmoment dealer with me, just go to my website below and there's a spot where you can sign up. Or if you just want to purchase the products, you can do that through my site also. So the price that I pay is also the price that you pay. So when you go to my site, you pay what I pay. Okay? So there's my little medal for accomplishing that. And thank you to everyone who has supported me in this. So that's it for this one. I'll let you know how the brushes go and if I like them. And see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.